8 class student exercise 1A rational numbers. This math is R.S. Agrawal. First question is express -3/5 as a rational number. With denominator first part is 20 and fourth part is -40. First part we can write the -3/5 is equal to what is question? Denominator. Denominator is write the 20. Numerator are not given. Make the box cross multiplication. Box into 5 is equal to -3 into 20. Multiply is not be. Box is equal to multiply divide by other side 20/5. 5 divided by 20 is 4. 4 3 ja 12 plus minus 12 is in numerator. Second part it is same. At first the bracket -3/5 with bracket equal denominator is -40. Numerator make the box rational number will be -12/20. As question 5 into you can write side to side. After cross multiply box can write in x. You can want to x -3 into -40. Multiply not be x or box who wanted to write -3 into -40 multiply divide by 5. 5 divided by 40 is minus 8. Box or x is equal to minus minus plus 8 3 is 24. So that rational number will be 24 upon minus 40. Question number 1 is complete. Second question. Second question is express minus 42 upon 98. With denominator is 7. So you write this form minus 42 upon 98. Write in box. Numerator is make the box, and if want to x, write the x be written in box. Box or x upon 7, y denominator is 7. After cross multiply, box into 98 is equal to 7 into minus 42 up. After multiply this form, we want to the value of box 7 into minus 42 upon 98. 7 1 ja 7, 7 4 ja 28. 14 3 ja 42. Box will be is equal to minus 3. That rational number will be minus 3 upon 7. Question number 2 is complete. 3 question is it is same process, same. This time is minus 48. 48 upon 60. Denominator is this time is 5. So write this form with bracket upon 60 is equal to 5 is in bracket, numerator is box. After cross multiply, box into 60 is equal to 5 into 48. Then value of box, we find the value of box. 5 into minus 48 upon multiplied, make the divide to go the right hand side. 60 divided by 5 is 12. 12 4 ja 48. Box is equal to minus 4. That rational number will be minus 4 upon, we find the value of box. Box write the numerator and 5 are given. Minus 4 upon 5 is question number 3. Question number 4, write in standard form. Question number 4 is write in standard form. First part is minus 12 upon 30. Use the table. Divide by 2, 6. Divide by 15. Divide by 3, 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15. Minus 3 minus 2 upon 5 after simplify. Second part will be minus 14 upon 49. 7 2 ja 14, 7 7 ja 19, minus 2 upon 7. Third part is 24 upon minus 64. Minus, put the numerator 24 upon 64. Divide by both 8 table belong. 8 8 ja 64, 8 3 ja 24. Minus 3 upon 8 is standard form. Fourth part is minus 36 upon minus 63. Minus divided by minus is plus. 9 4 ja 36 और 9 7 ja 37. 63. 3 upon 7 will be standard form. Question number 4 is complete. Question number 5 is rational number. Find the greater. First part is 3 upon 8 or 0. Second part is minus 2 upon 9 or 0. Third part is minus 3 upon 4 or 1 upon 4. Simplify the first part. Upon 1, taking the LCM of 1 and 8, LCM is 8, divide by 3 into 1 or 0 into 8. After multiply 3 1 ja 3, 0 multiply 0 upon 8. Who is greater? 3 is greater. 3 mean just upon. Greater 3 upon 8 is greater. Rational number. Second part will be same. Upon 1, take the LCM 9 and 1. 9 will be LCM, divide by minus 2 into 1 or 0 into 9. After multiply 9 minus 2 or 900. Who is greater? 0 is greater than minus number. So 0 is greater in second part. Third part is taking the LCM 4 and 4. LCM is 4 minus 3 or 1. Minus 3 will be smaller, 1 is greater. Positive number will be 1 upon 4 is greater. First part, second part, third part is complete. 4, 5, 6 part. Fourth part is minus 5 upon 7 or minus 4 upon 7. Its fifth part is 2 upon 3 or 3 upon 4. Sixth part is minus 1 upon 2 or minus 1. Solve the first part. Taking the LCM, the 7 and 7 will be LCM 7, minus 5 or minus 4. Minus 4 is greater, minus 5 is smaller. Minus 4 upon 7 is greater. Taking the LCM 3 and 4, LCM will be 12. 3 divided by 12 is 4. 2 into 4. Or 3 divided by 12 is 3. Multiply by 3. 3 3 ja. After multiply 12, it is same. 4 2 ja 8 or 3 3 ja 9. Who is greater? 8 is smaller, 9 is greater. 9 mean 3 upon 4 is greater. Sixth part is write the 1 upon 1 after LCM. 2 and 1 is 2. Divide by 1 1 1 ja 1 or minus 1 into 1 divided by 2 is 2. 2 1 ja 2. After multiply 1 1 ja 1 or 2 1 ja 2. Minus 1 is greater, minus 2 is smaller. Minus 1 is mean minus 1 upon 2 is greater. Question number 5 is complete. 6th question. 6th question is question number 5 is find the greater. First part, second part and third part. First part is minus 4 upon 3 or minus 8 upon 7. Second part is 7 upon minus 9 or minus 5 upon 8. Third part is minus 1 upon 3 or 4 upon minus 5. Taking the LCM of 3 and 7, LCM will be 21. Divide by 3 is 7, minus 4 into 7 or divide by 7 by 21 is 3. After multiply minus 8. LCM is same. 7 4 ja 28. 8 4 ja 24. Minus 28 and minus 24. Minus 24 is greater, mean minus 8 upon 7 is greater. Is greater. At first, minus not be denominator. Minus 7 upon 9 or minus 5 upon 8. After LCM 9 and 8 is 72. Minus 7. 7 divided by 72 is 8. And minus 5 into divided by 72, 9. After multiply 56 or 45. Minus 45 will be greater. 45 mean minus 5 upon 8. Minus 5 upon 8 is greater. Third part will be same. At first write in numerator 1/3 or minus 4/3, 4/5. After LCM 15 will be LCM 3 and 5. Divide by 3. Minus 1 into 3 5 या 15, 5 or minus 4 into 5 3 या 15. After multiply minus 5 or minus 12. Minus LCM it is same. Each line should be equal. Minus 5 is greater. Compare the minus 12. Minus 5 mean minus 1/3 is greater. Question number 6. First 3 part are complete. 7 question. 7 question. Fill the blank with greater than, equal, less than. First part is minus 3/7. You make the box 6/-13. First part. Second part is 7/-9 blank. Note 7/9, 5/-13 and minus 35/91 and minus 2. Make the box in blank. Minus 13/5. Solve the first part. Denominator have a minus sign. Equal minus 3/7. Box minus 6/13. After LCM 13 and 7 is 91. Minus 3 into 13. Box minus 6 into 7. After multiply 13 3 ja 39. 7 6 ja 42. Who is greater? 39 is greater. So you write the box is greater than. So symbol will be greater than in first part. Second part minus. Note should be denominator minus 5 upon 13 minus 35 upon 91. Taking the LCM, 13 and 91 is 91 minus 5 into 7. Box minus 35, 91 divided by 1 is equal to minus 35, 91 minus 35. Both equal, symbol equal. So second part is symbol is equal. Third part is write the upon 1. After LCM 1 and 5 is 5 minus 2 into 5 box minus 13 into 1 divided by LCM. After multiply 5 to the 10 minus 10 and minus 13 upon 5 is LCM. Minus 10 and minus 13, 10 is greater than, so greater than is symbol is third part. Thank you.